Well, I think we've had an eventful session today where we've tried to communicate some important information to, our key partners in the program. And so I'd just like to thank, everybody for taking the time today to come and, participate in the workshop here. I don't know if I mentioned this in the opening remarks, but there's going to be a more detailed, in-depth services workshop at some point in the first quarter of 2024, and that'll get into more detailed explanations and walkthroughs of how to use the clients to engage the services and so forth. So if I neglected to say that earlier, then I apologize for that. But that'll be occurring. It hasn't been scheduled yet, but the plan is to schedule that for somewhere towards the middle of the first quarter of calendar year 2024. So think mid-February or so. And this is a lot to absorb in one day. So just recognize that there is guidance that exists on all the services. We're going to be improving that guidance over sort of a short to midterm period of time. Rules are going to be coming out as Art talked about. There are going to be a substantial number of changes to those rules, and we're looking forward to getting everybody's thoughtful feedback on those changes, so that we can drive towards a consensus around the rules as best we can as a program. And with that said, unless anybody has anything that they'd like to ask or comment on, I think we can call it a day. And thank you again to our international partners for showing up to this at really terrible times for you all. Thank you very much for your commitment to the program and participating basically in the middle of the night.